In front of me is TCL 505 and today I would like to show you how you can set up Face Unlock. You need to begin by launching Settings and scrolling down to access Security and Privacy. Over here. Then scroll down again and tap on Device Unlock. Finally, hit Face Unlock under Screen Lock and enter your current login method. Now you can click on Disclaimer, read all of those informations and go back. Then hit Start. Remember to keep your face in frame, follow all of the instructions from your screen and wait for 100% mark. Now tap on Done, select OK, and manage those two options however you want to. Make sure that this switcher next to unlock your device using your face is on. So when I switch off my screen and turn it back on, I can see that Face Unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!